Do you want to install, run, and even play Android apps on Windows 11 PC or laptop for free? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Google Play Store on Windows 11 and run Android apps for free. Okay, at first you need to enable the virtual machine to run Android. Click on Start. Here type in Control Panel. Tap to open. Okay, here look for programs and features. Tap to open. Tap on Turn Windows feature on or off. Okay. Let me make this one big. Okay, here select Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform. Then Windows Hypervisor Platform. Lastly, click on Android Subsystem for Linux. After that, click on OK. Then it will start enabling all the selected features, and this process will take a lot of time depending on your computer speed. So please, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you don't miss out new useful videos. Okay, it will start applying the changes. After it completes, just restart your PC or laptop so that the changes takes place in the computer. Download all the listed software from the links in the description. After completing the downloads, click on Start to enable developer mode. Tap to open. Toggle the developer mode switch to the on state. Tap on Yes to turn it on. Okay. Open this folder to find the downloads. First, extract ADB setup. Click to start the setup. Tap on Yes. Okay, now to install the ADB drivers, just follow me clearly. Here on Do you want to install ADB and FATSBOOT, type in letter Y. It means yes. Hit enter. On install ADB system-wide, again type in Y. Also it means yes. Okay, now all after the installation. Let's go on another step. Now extract this WSA package from zip format. Okay. Now after the extraction, open the folder. You see it contains a lot of files. Move this folder to your C drive. Let me paste it here. Remember to not forget copying the kernel file to the TWSA package. Now press here up to copy the address of this folder. Then click on Start and type in Windows PowerShell. Right-click to run it as administrator. Tap on Yes. Okay, here type in CD, then let's paste the address that I copied. Ready. Hit enter. Okay, now open this file and copy this. Apps package register, /apps_manifest.xml. And paste in Windows PowerShell. Hit enter. Now it will start initializing. Okay. Now after it finish up here on start, you will see Windows Subsystem for Android installed on Windows 11. Okay. Let's do on another step. Click on Start. Tap to open this Windows Subsystem for Android. Here check to turn on developer mode. After click on File. Then tap Continue. Okay. If you see this error that unable to start Windows Subsystem for Android, it means that you have to first enable virtualization in the computer BIOS. So don't forget to do that before starting the setup. Like for me, I'm going to start up and enable it for my computer. Okay. So if you don't know how to enable the virtualization in BIOS, let me know in the comment section. Okay, tap Windows Subsystem for Android to start it up. This time just press Files. Okay. Now you can see it has started without any error. So please follow the video clearly and don't skip any step. Here tall on Allow Access. Okay, it's now done. Here Windows Subsystem for Android, you will see this folder. Okay, click on Start. Tap on All Apps. Then type in Play Store. This Play Store comes up after installing Windows Subsystem for Android. Okay. Tap to open. Okay, here click on Sign In. In some computer at first this will not start up, so that means ADB drivers didn't installed correctly. So open Drive C. Then ADB folder. Tap here up and then type in CMD. Go here on Windows Subsystem for Android. Copy the IP address. Type in ADB Connect and then paste the IP address. Again ADB shell. Hit enter. Then type in SU. SU means super user. Now copy the setInforce 0. Paste it here. Then hit enter. OK, now open Play Store. Now click on Sign In. OK, here it will start the Play Store. Now you see it's checking in for. Here let me insert my email address. Click on Next. Then the password. And then hit Next. Click on I agree. OK. Now you can see the Play Store has opened. Now here you can download all the app that you want to install. Even you can play games. OK. Let me search any app like car parking. Click on installing. OK, after click on play. OK, now you can see the game is loading. Now click on Start. Tap on Practice. Now it's time to start playing games for Android on PC. OK, you can find apps always on Start. Or even in apps. Even you can search the app and pin it. OK, let me go on Play Store again. Begin to install. Here you can see the installed apps on Start menu. So you can install all apps as well as it is for Android. OK. So please thank you for watching. If you found this video is working, share it to your friends so that they even learn it too. We meet in the next video.